Greetings, punters. Ben here, and welcome to game 317, which is Kevin's slider for the Silver Surfer number 2. We are live, and it is 7:38, Thursday, July 30. 7:38. All right. Go up. All right, 90 places. Let's go and post them. All right, number 1, Steve. Dak in 90. And for the purposes of this draw, Neville is Neville Howard, Donald is Donald White, and Dak is fucked if I know, I've never actually said it out loud. Dak Waylander, you know who you are. All right, 90 spots. All right, we're all good. 3 dice roll. 4 and 2 is 6 and 3 is 9. 3 and 2 is 5 and 4 is 9. So let's go 9 times. 2, 3, 4, that was 5, 6, 7. All right, 7 times. 2 more to go. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 more times. All right. That was 8 times. So 9 times. This is it for the winner. Good luck. Oh, like lightning. Here we go. Winner of the Silver Surfer is... Oh, look at that. Dashing Donald. Donald White in this case. Kev, if you didn't hear me the first time, add some fucking names next time. All right. Thank you very much for playing. Don, get in contact with Kevin to claim your prize. All right. Thanks for playing, team. Catch you next time.